Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I'm really excited to share this key of health with you today because it can really change your life. As a medical herbalist, I'm fascinated by herbs and I've seen how they can contribute to our health. They can do wonders. In this video, I want to talk to you about olive leaf extract. Olives are delicious, they're loaded with health benefits, and we love them. And we also know about how healthy olive oil is, but what most of us may not know is that the entire plant is rich and full of benefits, including the leaves. I have done a video on olive leaves, you should definitely check it out. However, in this video, I will focus on olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extract comes from the leaves of the olive tree and has a variety of health benefits. Research shows that the main component in olive leaf extract has antioxidant, antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-stimulating properties. Olive leaf extract has traditionally been used for the prevention and treatment of inflammation and infections such as the common cold, influenza, candidiasis, urinary tract infections, shingles, diarrhea, and even allergies and eczema. It has also been very successful in treating chronic fatigue syndrome, osteoarthritis, and osteoporosis. The antiviral properties of olive leaf extract are especially important now while we're dealing with a pandemic and the cases are on the rise again worldwide. It makes sense to turn to something natural like olive leaf extract to give our bodies the edge and ability to protect itself and fight off any possible viral infection that we might be exposed to. I highly recommend that you add it to your diet, especially during these days. The amazing thing about olive leaf extract, though, is that it contains approximately 15 antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds produced in our body and found in foods. They help defend ourselves from damage caused by potentially harmful molecules, which are called free radicals. When free radicals accumulate, they may cause a state known as oxidative stress. Chronic oxidative stress can lead to premature aging, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer. The antioxidants found in olive leaves are special. They are not the ones we find in our everyday diet, and some of them are only found in olive leaves. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins, whether it is pollution, environment, stress, and all sort of different things, and our bodies develop free radicals, which cause a lot of health problems. Since olive leaf extract is a concentrated form of these amazing antioxidants, by adding it to your diet, you're giving your body that extra boost to fight off these toxins and maintain a healthy environment. By the way, if you tend to forget or have difficulty concentrating, or you want to boost your memory in general, you really should give olive leaf extract a try. If you take it for just a month, you will begin to see a noticeable difference in your skin. It helps prevent and even reverse wrinkles. It makes your skin look healthier and gives it a glow. Some diabetics have noticed an improvement in frequency of urination. One of my clients who is diabetic and prone to UTIs noticed a significant improvement in that particular area. And the good news is that the extract is safe enough to take daily. Now, there is no recommended daily dosage allowance for olive leaf extract. The standard dose ranges from 500 mg to 1000 mg daily. Once you have selected a brand, follow their recommended dosage, but I would suggest that you take it with food. If you take blood pressure or diabetic medications, consult your doctor before you take olive leaf extract, or take it under the supervision of a natural healthcare provider. All right, so let's talk about how you know which one to choose. There are tons of brands out there. It can be overwhelming to decide which one to go for. The label usually states whether the extract is made from fresh leaves or dry leaves. Choose the one made with fresh leaves. It is a better option. The second thing you want to look out for is the date of production. Get something that is fresh. You don't want to get something that's been sitting on the shelf for a long time. And when you purchase a natural product, you want it to be as natural and pure as possible. You don't want to buy something that has alcohol or chemicals or solvents in its production. So choose a brand that uses minimal or no artificial components in their production. I don't have a particular brand I can recommend to you, but if you come across a brand and try it and like it, share it with me. I love to learn about new products and it would be great to hear what you recommend. So this is it for now. Leave me your feedback about your experience with olive leaf extract in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.